You may copy my lines to practice, but create your own as well. Make at least 5 different line styles: curvy, straight, and zigzag. Make them different widths. Make some change width. Hello, artists. We're going to talk about line with graphite. So label your paper and put your name. Okay, so we're going to use graphite to create different widths of line. And we want to make some lines vary in width. So I'm going to not all lines are straight, so you can do some zigzaggy things and some curly, curvy, curly, swirly things too. So, but I'm gonna see how thin of a line I can make. See if I can make a little bit of a wider one and a wider one. And let's try that with some curves. Okay, experiment like that. And these are not the only correct answers to this. I would like you to experiment with your pencil. Remember, we talked about how being willing to experiment and take artistic risks. There's no real wrong answer as long as you are putting some genuine effort into what you're doing. Now, making your line vary. I'm going to start out pressing lightly and pressing harder and harder, and then lightly again. Make some lines that do this. And if you want to practice straight first, the amount of pressure you put on your pencil is going to make the difference. And I have some other graphite tools that I will allow you to use too, besides these pencils or your regular pencil. And food for thought, what other way can you hold your pencil besides in a traditional way? So I would like to see a wide variety of practice on your drawing skill line part. So label your paper, put your name on it, and do your experimenting. When you're finished, make sure that you take your photo and upload it to the drawing skills assignments. Thanks for watching. Bye.